Let's select and type X to remove the default cube. We need to add a plane, and S to scale. Let's go to the shading and add a new UV grid material. Time to add a new material for the plane. Let's drag this icon into the node editor and connect it. Let's add a new plane. We'll apply the glass material there. Shift-D to duplicate. I'll show you how to create two different types of the glass shaders. We need to set the render engine to Eevee, and enable screen space reflections. Please also enable refraction. Let's add a new glass shader. This time, we need to enable screen space refraction. I'll change the viewport render sample to 128. There is our first glass. The second glass method is much easier. We're using the default BSDF material node. Please match my settings. We can adjust how foggy the glass might be, by adjusting the alpha setting for this material. Please enable alpha blend. There they are, two glass shaders. Why do we need two? The first shader works like a crystal, and the second one works like a bubble. Meaning, the first shader represents a thick glass that alters the shape of objects that are seen through. The second glass material is a thin layer of glass that won't affect any objects seen through. For the second glass material, we can adjust that factor by adjusting the IOR setting. There is the first glass, and there is the second glass. The first one is a crystal ball, and the second one is a transparent bulb glass. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.